So my audio might be a bit bad with this, but I'll just show you what it looks like. It's possible that the Azure portal got updated or something. I'm not really sure, but if you create your virtual machine and then you pick your resource group, I'll just like call this something random, none required, and I will pick the size, and then maybe Windows 11. Gosh. Okay. And disk should be standard, locally redundant. Networking, cyber-range VNet, cyber-range subnet, and then this is the network security group. This is where you would say like basic or advanced or whatever you want. Advanced, you can manually create one and then set the rules. But if you say basic, it will just create one that allows remote desktop protocol inbound, I believe. So it will allow you to RDP into the virtual machine by default. So I'll just create this and then we'll see what it looks like. Alternatively, you can refer to this, what is it? How to manually create and attach a network security group to a VM. You can do this as well. But you can see the NSG got created already, and then it's going to attach it to the VM. My VM failed to create. I wonder what happened.
Thanks for watching. Let me know what you want to see next, and we'll see you in the next video.